Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Infiniti Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of Infiniti's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.